Hello, hi, good evening, friends. So, this is my portfolio about today. So, I have taken three trades today, two in index segment and one in future segment. As we discussed yesterday about the Bank Nifty. So, as we can see, this is the Bank Nifty chart. It is 1 day time frame chart. So I told you about if Bank Nifty can sustain this area region, we will be getting an upward movement for the coming days. So, but unfortunately, Bank Nifty came to this same area and it came shown a downward trend today, downward movement. So I didn't do much trading in the Bank Nifty today, but I bought one futures of Fortis. I'll show you why I take this trade. This is the 1 day time graph of Fortis. As you can see, it is going through a channel pattern. It is giving one upward movement here, then it is going to downward, then there is some small consolidation and again given one upward movement. It is going through a pattern here. So I was waiting for the pattern breakage for some days now. So it is break the pattern today at around like 840. So I bought at 842 August future. So I'm expecting this one to move to about like 880 around this point in the coming week. So I'll be holding this future for some time and we will see what will happen. So if it is coming, I bought at 842. If it is giving around 880, I'll be getting like 4%, 5% move. That is enough actually. Then I'll be setting this point as my stop loss. This is my stop loss actually. Why I'll tell you, because it is or I will put this one as my stop loss, because if a 1 day time graph 1 day chart is candlestick is closing in this area, I'll be exiting the trade. We will see what will happen. So I have some of like this in Naukri also. I'm waiting for to break this pattern, either this side or downside or upside. So I am expecting an upside move in the coming weeks. Okay, we will see tomorrow what will happen. Okay, see you guys. Thank you.